How much does Basecamp software really cost? It's a question that pops up a lot when teams are exploring project management and collaboration tools. You see various numbers floating around, and sometimes it feels like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs. Is it per user? Is it a flat rate? Are there hidden fees lurking in the shadows, ready to ambush your budget? The world of project management software is vast and can be overwhelming. There are tools designed for every niche, every team size, and every budget imaginable. From super complex enterprise solutions to simple to-do list apps, the choices are endless. And in this crowded landscape, Basecamp has carved out a unique position. They've always prided themselves on simplicity and a different approach to pricing, which, while straightforward once you understand it, can initially seem a little unconventional compared to other software. So, let's cut through the noise and get down to brass tacks. What exactly will you pay for Basecamp, and what do you get for your money? We'll explore their current pricing structure, break down what each plan offers, and even touch on who each plan is best suited for. We'll also briefly look at how Basecamp stacks up against some alternatives, giving you a fuller picture to help you make an informed decision for your team. For a long time, Basecamp was known for its single, flat-rate pricing plan. It was revolutionary in its simplicity. One price for unlimited users, period. It was a refreshing change from the per-user pricing models that dominate the software industry. However, in more recent times, Basecamp has introduced a slightly more nuanced approach, offering 2 primary paid plans, plus a free option. Let's start with the free option. Yes, Basecamp still offers a free plan. This is called Basecamp Personal. Now, before you get too excited, it's important to understand the limitations. Basecamp Personal is designed for very light use, specifically for managing one project at a time. It also comes with limited storage, typically around 1 gigabyte. This free tier is fantastic for freelancers, individuals managing a single personal project, or perhaps a very small, non-profit organization getting started. Think of it as a taste of Basecamp, a way to experience its core philosophy of simplified project management. You can delete a project and start a new one, but you're always limited to that one project at a time constraint. It's a great way to kick the tires without any financial commitment. Now, let's move on to their paid offerings, which are where the majority of teams will find themselves. Basecamp currently offers 2 main paid plans: Basecamp, sometimes referred to as the standard plan or per-user plan, and Basecamp Pro Unlimited. First up, the Basecamp plan. This plan operates on a per-user, per-month basis. The cost for this plan is $15 per user, per month. What does this get you? This plan includes all of Basecamp's core features. You get unlimited projects, 500 gigabytes of storage, access to all their tools like message boards, to-do lists, schedules, documents, and their unique hill charts for visualizing project progress. You also get 24/7/365 customer support. A key benefit here is that you only pay for your internal team members. You can invite as many clients or contractors as guests to your projects for free, which is a significant advantage for agencies or teams working frequently with external stakeholders. This plan is billed monthly, offering flexibility if your team size fluctuates. Who is the Basecamp plan best for? This plan is typically ideal for freelancers who have outgrown the free tier and are managing multiple client projects, small startups, or smaller teams where the per-user cost remains manageable. If you have a team of, say, 5 to 10 people, this $15 per user, per month plan can be a very sensible option, especially with the benefit of free guest access. Next, and perhaps Basecamp's most well-known offering, is the Basecamp Pro Unlimited plan. This is where Basecamp truly differentiates itself with its unique, flat-rate pricing model. The Basecamp Pro Unlimited plan costs a flat $299 per month when billed annually, or $349 per month if you choose monthly billing. The most significant feature of Basecamp Pro Unlimited is right there in the name: unlimited users. Yes, you heard that right. For that flat monthly or annual fee, you can add as many users from your organization as you need. Whether you have 10 employees, 50, 100, or even 1,000, the price remains the same. This is a game changer for larger or fast-growing organizations. Imagine a company with 50 employees paying $15 per user on another platform. That's $750 a month. With Basecamp Pro Unlimited, it's a flat $299, billed annually, for everyone. Beyond unlimited users, the Pro Unlimited plan also boasts increased storage, offering a massive 5 terabytes of file and document storage. That's 10 times the storage of the per-user plan. It also includes 1:1 onboarding tours with a Basecamp expert, priority customer support, and access to 2 valuable add-ons: timesheets for tracking time spent on projects and the Admin Pro Pack for enhanced control over user access and permissions. So, who benefits most from Basecamp Pro Unlimited? This plan is perfect for larger teams, growing businesses, or organizations that anticipate significant team expansion. If you have more than, say, 20 to 30 team members, the Pro Unlimited plan often becomes significantly more cost-effective than a per-user pricing model. It eliminates the worry about escalating costs as your team grows and provides budget predictability. It's also important to consider what Basecamp doesn't charge for. There are no hidden fees for features, no extra costs for integrations, and as mentioned, no charges for clients or contractors you invite to your projects. Their pricing is famously transparent. When you compare Basecamp to other project management software, its pricing model often stands out. Many competitors, like Asana, Monday.com, and ClickUp, typically offer tiered pricing based on features and per-user costs. While some might have cheaper entry-level per-user plans, the costs can quickly skyrocket as your team grows or as you need more advanced features. Basecamp's flat-rate unlimited plan is a direct counter to this, making it a highly competitive option for larger teams. Of course, the best software and pricing depend entirely on your specific needs. If your team requires highly specialized features like advanced Gantt charts, complex resource management, or intricate workflow automation, Basecamp's minimalist approach might feel a bit too simple. Its strength lies in its streamlined approach to project management and communication, focusing on getting things done without unnecessary bells and whistles. However, for many teams looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and predictable solution for collaboration and project organization, Basecamp's pricing, especially the Pro Unlimited plan, offers exceptional value. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.